read that story, and it says that the angels celebrated. You know, I picture, if you've ever seen America's Got Talent, right? It's that person who comes up to the center and they give it their all. And then each of the judges, they go, you know what? Yes, yes, yes. And all of a sudden, one of them throws on that golden buzzer, right? And there's this huge, glorious celebration. And for some of you tonight, you said, yes, Jesus. And again, you may not get it all, so keep talking. Later on, you're going to go to your small groups, and so keep having that conversation because it doesn't stop now. But the fact is, for some of you tonight, you said yes. And for you, we say, welcome home.